When your body has finished digesting the last meal, the stomach doesn't just sit idle. Instead, it continues to produce gastric juices, preparing for the next intake of food. As the stomach empties, it begins to contract more forcefully in search of nourishment. During these hunger contractions, the combination of liquid and swallowed air inside the stomach starts to move around. This tumultuous shift creates a symphony of sounds as the contents are pushed back and forth, resulting in that familiar growling noise. So, when you hear your stomach rumbling, it's not just a sign of hunger. It's a reminder that your body is ready and waiting for its next meal.